So welcome to my virtual office. As you can see, I'm currently in my mountain retreat because I'm just feeling I need a bit of serenity today. I've got my computer mapped through and I'm not holding any controllers, hence why you can see my hands, but my keyboard and mouse are in front of me so I can control my computer accordingly. And I can also, on the desk here, I can change my mat into pass-through mode. You can't see it now, but I'm physically seeing my keyboard and my mouse, so I can work as normal. And I can I can go back and turn that off if I see fit. But if we're having a meeting, I'm going to jump to my home screen. I'm going to join my VOXIT room, and this could actually be an office. Doesn't need to be a meeting room whatsoever. The room is stateful, so anything that's done in this room, changed, updated, added to the whiteboard, stays whether we're connected or disconnected. And here we are in our virtual meeting room. I like to be reminded of badge, you can see there, and VOXIT logo. So this is a meeting room. This is where you guys would sit with your VR headsets, and it's spatial audio. So if you were sat next to me, the audio would only come from next to me. And if you're not in VR, then there's a screen there where your beautiful face would appear. You can see we're currently based in virtual London. And yeah, I can map my keyboard and mouse, so you can't see this black area, but that's showing me my physical desk. Whereas if I turn that off, it shows me my virtual desk, which I can then jump to my computer and work, so we can be sat next to each other working. Or I can jump into whiteboard mode, which gives me this little pad down here, and if I pick up my controller and hold it like a pen, like so, and go to write, I can then write, which appears on the big screen, and then present it. Or, this is pretty cool, I can actually, ready? I can go down here and choose to go to the whiteboard. I'm now being shown my room. I'm walking over to a corner of the room where the whiteboard is. I'm now at the whiteboard, and I can now literally use my controller at the whiteboard and say that you are a bunch of... Go. There you go, bunch of lovely people. So this is our VR space. I'm going to jump back to my desk now. Walk back over to my desk. There we go, back at the desk, and then I can put that back into keyboard and mouse mode. Grab my keyboard and mouse, and you can now see my hands again. And I can now, get on and answer some tickets. There we go, VR world. What do you think?